Hello everybody! In this video I will show you how to create amazing hand-painted jeans. So if you have an old jeans which you get bored with, this video is right for you. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So, let's begin! So here is my old jeans I get bored with, and I will paint galaxy design on them. After I paint these jeans, they will look absolutely different and absolutely creative. Colors I will use: black, two different shades of purple, white, blue, and turquoise. To paint galaxy actually is so easy. Just paint some parts black, some blue, some purple, or mix all the colors. You can use some image of the galaxy or just use your imagination. When the first layer is finished, I will use the same colors, but I will paint galaxy more detailed. To make stars, I splatter the white paint. You can leave the design this way, but I will make it even more fun, and I will paint the image of the UFO and some fun phrases. I believe. And pick me. Thanks for watching! If you are interested in hand-painted clothing, check out my Etsy shop. Also, if you have any ideas, what should I paint or what kind of clothing should I paint, or if you have any questions, write to me, I will be happy to answer. See you! Bye bye!